Bonjour class, I just wanted to show you that we are going to have a new way starting tomorrow, Tuesday, 8th September, to show me that you are present, that you are alive and breathing, okay? Instead of using the warm-ups and exit tickets as a way of showing me that you're here, this is a very, very, very simple way that you're going to show me every day, virtually, the ones that are my virtual students, that you are present. So I'm using the French 2 Pre-AP 3 Pre-AP class, that's period 2, because I started it in here, but you'll see it in the same spot starting tomorrow morning. So we're going to go to classwork. You're going to see under daily check-in, I created a new section, all right? And right now it's grayed out because I haven't made it go live. I haven't actually assigned it. It's not an actual assignment, it's a question, but it's under daily check-in and you are required to do this. So I'm just going to edit it so that you can see what it says. So the question is, are you present today? Okay? And then you choose one of these three. I am physically present, but my mind is elsewhere. I'm excited to learn French today. I need a vacation. I don't care which one you choose. There isn't a right or wrong answer here. You just choose one. And then from your perspective, you're going to see either done or turn in, and I'm not sure which you're going to see because I can't see from the student's perspective, but you're going to do that. You're going to click done or turn in for that day, and that's it. And that just tells me you're here. There's no grade. There's no nothing. However, there is a due date. If you don't do it before 11:59 p.m. tomorrow night and each day, you will be absent. So make sure you do it before midnight each day so that I know you are here. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing some of you this week. Others I know I won't be able to see you because you're virtual. Bon après-midi. Au revoir.